forecast. Honestly, Josh, I'm happy to hear that they are dispelling those myths because we all know sunscreen is important.
Yes, I just came from a trip where I had to use SPF 50, 50, not 15, when the sun is very strong way south of where we are, Sam, and you have to be extra aware of how the sun can really hit you when you are kind of at that higher sun angle. But we do still have some heat going on. We do have the threat for a couple storms. Winding down, though, this evening. I think a lot of us aren't going to see major new weather, but as promised, I do have a damage report to share with you from this afternoon. Take a look at the map with me now. This is up into sections of Oswego County, northeastern or eastern sections, we'll call it, in the town of Amboy, Williamstown here area. Around 3:20 this afternoon, there was a severe thunderstorm warning in this area. You can see on the map here a downed tree in the town of Amboy in this area. So when there is a severe thunderstorm warning, of course, I was covering it on our social media pages, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. You can follow myself on any of those. You can always get alerts on your phone, of course, from our Weather Authority app. I just want to let you know when there's a warning. Sometimes it does become justified with a little bit of damage. Now, our Hoffman grilling forecast this evening doesn't get any nicer than this. Hot and humid, feeling like summer. We're in the 80s. We got the sun, the clouds, the nice blue sky in some spots too, especially above the weather deck, and the winds are nice and light. As you're on your phone tonight scrolling, take a look at our CNY Central mobile news app. I've updated this weekend story. Myself and meteorologist Violet Skybor have been doing it all weekend long with our weekend activities for the 4th of July weekend, including your boating forecast now for Sunday. And spoiler alert, it's looking very good for many reasons. Take a look at that tonight so you know what's coming up for tomorrow. And we also got the keeping cool by the pool forecast and beach weather as well. If you take a look at the temperature map here, 83 in Syracuse. You can see 79 out in Rome, 79 also in Hamilton, 81 out in Cortland. Look at 88 in Elmira right now. But if you factor in the humidity, what is your skin telling your brain the temperature feels like? 85 here in Syracuse, 82 Cortland, 81 right now in Rome, and 90 the real feel down Elmira. On Live Triple Doppler, sponsored by Falso Service Experts, right up in here, Old Forge. See that storm that kind of went through Oswego and kind of right there earlier this afternoon? That's what's triggered the damage in the area, unfortunately. It wasn't a lot of damage, but still any report is never a good thing. But again, you've got to take a warning seriously if it comes through your area. The outline with the satellite radar picture right now, we do have a couple showers that might sneak through this evening, otherwise pretty quiet. Sunday, virtually rain-free and storm-free with lower humidity. And Monday's weather, the sun will be back out and it's going to be really hot and steamy. All right, take a look at your forecast tonight. Low temperature in Syracuse, 65 versus the 70s the past several nights. Humid. There could be some dense fog setting up in some locations. Now, tomorrow I'm forecasting a high of 85. It's not going to be a humid 85. It'll be a comfortably warm 85. It'll be a blue sky, sun and clouds, a pretty nice day. Next 7 days, let's take you through it here. For Monday, forecasting 93. The record is 101. We won't touch that. But I think for Monday and even Tuesday's 92, the National Weather Service might put out some heat advisories, which means the real field temps could possibly reach mid or upper 90s. We will see. Wednesday, some off and on rain, thunder, 85. Thursday, lower humidity, 86. Friday, a decent day, 89, but hot. And we're still up around 90 for Saturday. So if you include Friday in this, I've got 4 days of near or above 90-degree heat coming our way this week. Sam.
Thank you, Josh. Still ahead in